This is a weird combination. We have Dewhurst US 85 buttons, an Otis button beat, and an Otis voice.
Going up.
These lifts have certainly been modernised at some point by Otis. But despite this, a lot of the original UK lift remains.
First floor, doors opening. Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Going down.
Yeah, it's moving. Takes a while to start up this one. It's hydraulic.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
UK lift.
Second floor.
Missed it.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
You can see the lift move as well.
First floor.
Light is really annoying to stop.
Doors opening. Going up.
Doors closing.
Second floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
But that's an alarm sounder there, that blue thing. That's for the right hand lift and that's for the left hand lift. These are very nice chimes. This one's a lot bigger as well.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
This one is a lot smoother than the other one. So we set up the pump to turn on at the correct
Ground
time,
floor.
which is good.
Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing. Second floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
It's a huge lift. Huge. Not Beals in pool size, but pretty big. Which is helpful.
Second floor. Doors opening.